Hey there, it's Casey Dim at TaxSaleAcademy.com and welcome to our weekly tax sale question segment. This week's question comes to us from Crystal. It says, hey Casey, I went to a tax sale and every property that I wanted went for way too much money. What gives? So first off, Crystal, thank you so much for being a subscriber and thank you for submitting your question. That question is not all that uncommon. I do hear it from time to time. Now, there are many reasons that properties will sell for too much money. There's many reasons people tend to overpay for certain properties in certain areas. I see it all the time. Let's go over a few of these examples. The first one is that they're simply willing to accept a lower return on their investment than you are. You know, I have a set amount of money that I want to make off of most investments. If I'm spending $100,000 on a property, for example, and I'm making $5,000, that's a pretty low return based on my standards. But there are other people out there that would gladly accept that return. The second reason is that some people simply have a strategy for a property that makes more valuable to them than it would be for you. So for example, a number of years back, I was involved in a large development. We'd acquired around 50 acres or so that was going to be developed into a shopping center complex. In the middle of this property, there was one landlocked parcel that was about a quarter acre in size that was not very valuable to anybody except for us. For 99.9% of the world, it was pretty much worthless. But we ended up paying around $50,000 for that property. And the truth was, we're very happy to do so. The next one could be that there's some sort of emotional attachment to that property. Now, this could mean it's the lot next door to somebody's house. They envision themselves playing on it with their child. Or maybe it's the childhood home that somebody outgrew and they want to go back and fix up that home and live in it. Or maybe it's just an emotional bidder who does not want to get outbid by you, perhaps. I've seen egos get in the way far too often in this business. And then it takes us to the fourth reason, and the most common by far, is that buyers don't have any idea what they are doing and they overpay because they think they have to or because they think they should. They overpay based on their lack of experience, lack of education, lack of knowledge, and typically what happens is they buy one property or two properties and you will never see that person again. Here's the solution. Go off of the numbers alone. Do what works for you and don't try to force the investments because of other people. Now, if you are in an area where the numbers will never, ever work, maybe you've attended 2 or 3 auctions and every property there is selling for 2 or 3 times your maximum bid amount, or maybe the bidders in the room are paying near or full market value, then here's my suggestion. Stop trying to force it to work in that area. And I see this all the time. People tell me that tax sale investing doesn't work where they want to invest. Okay, no problem. Change areas. It's as easy as getting onto your computer, looking at a map, and Googling tax sale in blank county. There are thousands of tax defaulted pieces of real estate that are sold every single day, and it's in a relatively undiscovered industry still. Sure, you might know about it, and you might have seen people at a tax sale auction, but at the end of the day, the tax sale industry is just a speck of dirt in the overall real estate market. There are so many deals out there to be had. I can assure you that they are deals out there because I see them every single day. And I also get emails from many of my Tax Sale Academy members on a very regular basis with the deals that they tell me about as well. So Crystal, hopefully this helps you out. Please keep attending those auctions. Keep learning. If you need to change strategies, change strategies. If you need to change areas, change areas. But in the end, do not let other people's approaches and what they are willing to pay for a piece of real estate influence the way that you invest. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments section, and we might just record a video response like this one for you. And for more information on learning how to successfully invest in tax liens and tax deeds, make sure you check out TaxSaleAcademy.com for the most comprehensive tax sale training that we offer. And also, if you're not quite ready to take advantage of the membership options, you can grab this book right here, Tax Sale Playbook, for the cost of shipping. I bought the book for you. Just cover the $5 that the USPS charges us, and we'll get it in the mail to you. Same website, TaxSaleAcademy.com. taxacademy.com. Hey, take care, folks. Bye-bye.